Hello friends, is your car's check engine light on and showing the P0445 code? Ignoring this issue can cause excessive fuel vapors, engine performance issues, and even emissions failure. In this video, I'll explain what P0445 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0445 code stands for Evaporative Emission System Purge Control Valve Circuit Shorted. Your car's EVAP, or Evaporative Emission Control System, prevents harmful fuel vapors from escaping into the air. The purge control valve, also known as the purge solenoid, is an electrically controlled valve that opens and closes to allow fuel vapors to be burned in the engine. The P0445 code stands for Evaporative Emission System Purge Control Valve Circuit Shorted. Your car's EVAP, or Evaporative Emission Control System, prevents harmful fuel vapors from escaping into the air. The purge control valve, also known as the purge solenoid, is an electrically controlled valve that opens and closes to allow fuel vapors to be burned in the engine. When this valve circuit is shorted, the ECU detects a constant open or closed state triggering P0445. Common symptoms of P0445 include check engine light or CL being on, a strong fuel smell near the vehicle, poor fuel efficiency, the engine running rough at idle, and a failed emissions test. If left unchecked, it can lead to excessive fuel vapor loss and reduced engine performance. To diagnose P0445, you need to locate the EVAP system components. The EVAP Purge Control Valve, also known as the purge solenoid, is usually found near the intake manifold or throttle body. It has an electrical connector and vacuum hoses attached. The EVAP vent valve, or vent solenoid, is located near the fuel tank or charcoal canister and is responsible for venting air. The charcoal canister is positioned near the rear of the vehicle, close to the fuel tank. The fuel tank pressure sensor is mounted on or inside the fuel tank, monitoring system pressure. EVAP hoses and wiring run between the engine, fuel tank, and EVAP system components. Look for cracks or loose connections. Tip: check your car's service manual for exact sensor locations based on your model. Common causes of P0445 include a shorted purge control valve, also known as the purge solenoid, which can cause an electrical short and trigger the code. Faulty wiring or an electrical connector, such as corrosion, frayed wires, or disconnected plugs, can create a circuit short. A blown fuse in the EVAP solenoid circuit can prevent the system from functioning correctly. In rare cases, a faulty ECM or engine control module may falsely trigger P0445. So how do you fix the P0445 code? Well, let's break it down step by step. First, use an OBD-II scanner to confirm the P0445 code and check for any additional codes that might be lurking around. Next, locate the purge control valve, which is usually near the intake manifold. You'll want to inspect its wiring harness and connector for any signs of burning or damage. Then, test the purge solenoid with a multimeter. If you find there's a short circuit, meaning zero resistance, the valve is faulty and needs to be replaced. After that, inspect the fuse box for any blown fuses related to the EVAP system. Replace any blown fuses if necessary. Also, check for broken or melted wires in the EVAP circuit and repair them as needed. If required, replace the purge solenoid and clear the code with your scanner. Finally, drive the car and monitor to see if the check engine light returns. Alright, in conclusion, the P0445 code is usually caused by a shorted purge valve, solenoid faulty wiring, or a blown fuse. Fixing it ensures proper EVAP operation and prevents fuel vapor leaks. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next: P0172, System 2 Rich, Bank 1, and P0173, Fuel Trim Malfunction, Bank 2. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.